Very excited na si Kalula. O ayan o, selfie. Ayan o. Good morning mga katuto. Nandito tayo ngayon sa assembly area ng Great North Run dito sa Newcastle. At yan ang sitwasyon ngayon dito. Yun ang mga tao, may ano doon, may parang ano sila, guide kung saan nag-assemble yung mga colors, green, orange, mga color. So people started coming in together. Yan sila. Yeah. Hello ma'am, would you mind if I take some videos? What charity are you running for?
We run the Rainbow Trust.
It's Rainbow Trust for the children. Yeah, thank you. My daughter-in-law also is running for the diabetes. Yeah, it's a charity.
Yeah, that's
So that's a private organization. Yeah, thank you. From where are you?
from South Wales.
South Wales.
Yeah.
See, these people are coming from South Wales and they are here just to participate Great North Run. Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy. So ayan mga kabayan, mga katuto. Dito tayo ngayon ano lang tayo ng mga papunta sa assembly area. Yung assembly area andun, no? Green run numbers andun. Yan, ang daming tao. There are about like 60,000 participants in here. Yan, no? May mga charity na inaanuhan sila, sinasalihan sila. Yan. So makikita natin sila na participate sila. Ayun, may T-side charity. Yan. Ayun, may mga sa blood cancer UK, mga charity yung tinatakbuhan. Hello, good morning. Enjoy the run. Yan, may naka-attire pa. Yan, may mga sa size dito. May ano kasi dyan, may ginagawa. Yung may dumadaan sa side, Hello, yan. Busy sila, busy, Yun, may mga taong dumadaan, Enjoy the run. Hello mom, enjoy the run. Hello ma'am, would you mind if I take some videos?
No.
I'm vlogging in YouTube, so I will
Yes.
post this one in YouTube.
Yeah.
So what charity are you running
We're running
for?
for Mind.
Is it a charitable institution?
Yeah, it's a mental health charity.
From where are you? You are just here in Newcastle.
Yeah, so we're from Leicester.
Oh, thank you very much. Enjoy the run.
Thanks.
Okay, see you later. I'm inside the university and you can see the queue. It's really a huge crowd. It's about 68,000 participants coming from all over UK, and some of them are even coming from other countries just to participate in the Great North Run. Good morning, enjoy the run.
Thank you.
Enjoy the run. There are loads of people participating. Hello, enjoy the run. Enjoy the run. So that's it. See you later. Good morning. I had already walked about 500 meters, but still, look at the volume of the participants coming from all sides of United Kingdom. Hello, good morning. Are you Filipinos?
Yes.
Yeah. How often do you participate in Great North Run?
Yes.
Yearly?
Third.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good, Maila.
Are you not running, Kuya?
Yeah, next year maybe. Yeah, my daughter-in-law, Eilits, the wife of Carl, is participating. So enjoy the run.
Okay, thank you, Kuya.
Thank you, thank you. So ayan, may mga Pilipino na nag-participate. Dito tayo, nag-vlog lang tayo. Ayan o. I am inside Newcastle University campus. And look at the volume of because the assembly area is just over there, the about 500 meters from here. So look at those people, because they have that designated color. So they have their assembly area coming from different directions. Look at that. That's coming from the west, and this is coming from the south, going to the east side, and some also are going to the north side. This one is coming from the south side. That's there's like a cathedral over there. Look. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. From what place are you coming from?
Where we'll come from, what charity?
Yeah.
It's called For Louis, and it's a charity that helps families who go through stillborn and miscarriage.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you. So yan mga katuto. Hindi na masyadong marami yung volume ng pumaparticipate. Kaya there. So dyan ako lalabas sa may ano, may simbahan na yan, malaking simbahan. Papunta pa sila ng assembly. Ako papunta doon sa tulay kasi doon dadaan yung ano. See you later. I'm now in front of Newcastle University. So see the people coming in here. They are from the eastern side, coming from the city center over there, and that's the church, that's the civic center or their city hall over there. Still loads of people are coming in there. This is the main road, and over there is the Eldon Square. It's a big mall. It's over there, but people are coming from this side, coming from the city center on Northumberland Street. That's the famous street at the center of the city. Yeah. So you can see loads of people are still coming in. Just imagine the 68,000 participants. There they are. Hello. Hello. Enjoy the run. Enjoy the run. Mayroong mga participants dito na galing sa ibang bansa, pero nag-take off na siguro sila kanina kasi yun ang mga professional runners, tulad kay Mu, si Mu Para. So ayan sila, na traffic sila. Ayan. You can see loads of people are coming even from the city there. It's the Northumberland Street. Enjoy the run.
Thank you.
Tayo kasi pag ma-traffic pwede tayo mag-interview. Atras tayo. Doon tayo sa mid ng ano, traffic. Kasi pag na-stuck sila, pwede tayo mag-interview. Yan. So dito tayo sa traffic. Tay! Ayan sila. So yan ang Newcastle University. Yan. Ito naman dito ang Civic Center o yung City Hall nila. Enjoy the run. Enjoy the run. Are you from Newcastle?
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So the road was closed at one side, and they drive over way to the
You just stand right in front of it. I hope this is live stream.
Enjoy the run. Are you from Newcastle?
No, we're not.
From where are you?
Lancashire.
Wow, it's you just came here to participate in the greater run.
just
Okay.
for this.
Okay, enjoy the run.
Thank you.
See you later.